We'll guide you through how to edit a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Adobe Acrobat, and so you want to go and edit a PDF. We're going to guide you through how this can be done. Make sure you watch this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this. So you can see I'm currently in Adobe Acrobat, but you don't need to be. I'm just going to go and close this for now. I find the easiest way to go and get started with this is to go and locate the PDF on our computer you want to do it with. In this case, it's on my desktop here. If it's in your File Explorer, open your File Explorer and go and locate it. Then what you can do is go and double click on it and it should open up in Adobe Acrobat. If it doesn't, right click on it, hover over Open With and select Adobe Acrobat. And here we are. Now, it is important to note that in order to go and do this, we are going to be using the Pro version of Adobe Acrobat. So this is the paid subscription, and yeah, it's using Adobe Acrobat. So then once you've got it open, we're going to come to the top left and we're going to go and press Edit. Now we can go and get started. So first of all, we're going to cover editing what's currently on here. So what you can do is once you've selected Edit is you can go and click on some text like here. And as you can see, it's now placed the cursor and I could go and start removing text, or I could go and start adding more as well. So I could go and move it back here and there we go. So that's how you can go and add or remove the existing text. Next, we can come down here to this image and we can go and select it. We could go and crop it. You can go and rotate it, delete it, and even go and export it. You could replace it by choosing an image or generating one, and you can edit or redact it. And also you can click, hold and drag and go and adjust the position of it as well, as you can see. And I can go and move it like so. So there we go. That is how you can go and edit the existing parts of the PDF. And if there are multiple pages, you can go and scroll down and you can go and continue doing that. Now, if you want to go and add more content, what you can do is come over to the left into this section, add content. Press See More to get the full list and you can go and add text, an image. If you click here, you can choose an image from your computer, but you can generate it using AI as well. Then you can go and adjust the header and footer. You can go and add a watermark, a link, numbering, add a button, a video, sound, 3D media. You can attach a file, use the background and add an article box as well. Now, what we're going to do is let's say I want to add some text. I'll click there, click twice like so, and now I can go and start typing. I could go and type in hello like so. If you go and highlight it, I'm going to then come to the top left and we can go and change the different things there. So I'm going to change the font. I like using Arial. You can then go and change the font size, the color, the alignment. If you want it to be bold, you go and get the idea. You can then click off of it and click it again. And then what we could do is go and click, hold the lines surrounding it, and you can go and move it by click, holding and dragging. And you can go and resize the text box as well. So you go and get the idea of the different things you can do with it. Next, what you could do is go and add an image. So you can press add image and press choose image. And you could choose an image you want to go and add. Let's go and say I came into my icons. I could add this GuideRealm icon as well. You can then go and click once and then click again and it'll be added. And we then need to go and resize it. So you can go and click, hold and drag these corner points. And then you could go and position it where you want it like so. I'm just going to go and delete it, but you go and get the idea there. And of course you can come down the list on the left and continue adding more things. Now, when you finish editing it, what you need to do is we need to make sure that it's then gone and saved. So you can go and press Control and S, that's a shortcut. On a Mac, that's going to be Command S. And that's now going to be saved. So I can go and close it. And I'm just going to go and reopen it now. And you're going to go and see the changes we made are now there. And it's just a PDF and that's it. That is how it can go and be done. Consider subscribing and liking the video. We publish guides like this every single day. So I'm sure we're going to be able to go and help you out again. And if you've got any suggestions for PDF videos or other guides you want to go and see, feel free to go and drop a comment down below and I'm sure we're going to be able to go and potentially cover a video on it if we go and find that we can. So that's it. I hope you guys have a great day and I look forward to helping you with your next tech problem.